Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, an attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm. When you've been charged with indirect criminal contempt, or ICC, the process can be a little bit confusing. Unlike many charges in Pennsylvania, you don't get the opportunity to have a preliminary hearing on most ICC charges. You go straight to the Court of Common Pleas, and your first hearing may be where you have a trial or a plea opportunity. As a result, it's important to get right on defending yourself in the case of an ICC. Most ICC charges in Pennsylvania arise from protection from abuse orders. If you've been served with a PFA and you contact the person who has the PFA against you, you are in violation of the law and you are charged with ICC. This is true even if the PFA is totally false, made up, even if you beat it at a hearing later. If you contact someone while that temporary PFA or permanent PFA is in place, you have violated the law. There are several ways to defend against ICCs. First, you have the opportunity to prove that you didn't make the contact. Obviously, that's a question of fact, and you can always do that by cross-examining the person who claims to have seen you or questioning them about the source of the documents or text messages or social media messages, whatever they say you contacted with. A second way that you can defend is by showing that the PFA was never served. So a PFA order is binding if it was served on you, but if it wasn't and you didn't know about it, obviously that's not a violation of the court's order. We call it indirect criminal contempt because it's a contempt of court action, and that's why it goes straight to the Court of Common Pleas. It says that because you were served with that court order, you were in contempt of the court's order by contacting the person. Showing you didn't have notice of it is a defense. A third and common defense is for us to work out some sort of a first-time offenders program, a plea agreement, or some other way to basically lessen the consequences or have it dismissed with an agreement for community service, for counseling, or for something else. If you've been charged with ICC or if you've been served with a PFA, call the attorneys at Cornerstone Law Firm. We'll be happy to take your call and help you with a consultation on your case.